Guys, welcome to Fridays on this channel. On Fridays, I upload. If you don't know me, my name is Salva Mirza. I have a YouTube channel of my own. Obviously, I'll leave that in the description if you want me to. This week is just introduction week and talking about yourself. So I'm gonna be really conceited and talk about all this me because I don't know who you guys are really. So yeah. But if you want to get to I want to get to know you guys. So make sure you comment. Hey, like that. Slide in. No. Yeah. Not really deny. No, really deny. I also not know how to English. Obviously. Okay. I keep on getting crazy, so I'm just gonna talk about myself. Okay. The first thing I like to say is I get off track extremely easily. Like I can be talking about alpacas, then I'll start talking about llamas, then Joe Sugg, and then a giraffe. I go crazy and I talk about random stuff at random times. So yeah. I also love acting. Acting is like amazing to me. Like, whew, I love fashion and makeup. They're like really big in my life. I love doing my like crazy makeup and like for Halloween time especially I like to do SFX makeup and I make like cool things on my face like it looks like I'm ripped and like crazy but yeah. Another thing is that I am obsessed with llamas. I love llamas. Llamas are everything. I also love pineapples. Llamas and pineapples are just they're just like so cool to me. Like I just love them. You know what's actually really funny and that happened today at school? So basically, I was in multimedia and we were making an about me page. Well, we're making a website in multimedia. It's my class, and we have to have a page on our website that's called About Me. So it talks about ourselves. So on there, I had YouTube obsessed, I love llamas, and pineapples as like three things. And so people thought it was really weird because yeah, why wouldn't they? I am extremely weird. I also love gaming. Gaming is like a lot of fun. If like I was actually thinking about making a gaming channel, but I'm not sure. No. I love singing. Singing is life, but I'm kind of scared of singing in front of people. I've been in choir since I was in 4th grade, but then I didn't take it this year because I was scared because you have to sing by yourself in front of people, which is quite terrifying to me. I am 14 years old and I grew up in New York. I'm a freshman in high school, so yeah. I love writing. That is something I love to do. Writing is everything to me. If you watch my main channel videos, you know that I have a little tiny book where I write everything, like seriously everything in there, like YouTube ideas to what I did today. So really like a diary I would call it because I don't write every single day, like that's when I like maybe I feel down. I wanna like write about it instead of like talking about it because I'm not really a feelings talker. Sorry, my phone just cut me off in the middle of me talking. How rude. Very rude. Um, like I was saying, I have like a little journal and I just write in it and it just like helps me, I guess. I don't know. I just love writing. I love writing short stories and like also hold on. One time I filled up 3 entire notebooks of just this gigantic story that I wrote and it's really weird. Maybe one day when I'm like doing a video, I can like read you guys a page or something. It's extremely weird, so yeah. Okay guys, that was like basically everything about me and like bleh. If you guys want to see more of my face, then make sure you check out my main channel. I'll put the link down below. I also have a blog, you guys can check that out too. Make sure you subscribe to all the girls on this channel because they're all awesome and amazing and I love them all because they're so sweet and amazing. Make sure to check out all their main channels as well. Yeah. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.